Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and our today's topic is linear equation. As you can clearly see the word linear over here, that means your greatest degree over here will always be 1. And there is equation. What does this equation mean? Equation means equals to sign. Whenever there is a sign between any numbers and it is equals to, that means let me take my example x plus 5 equals to 3. Okay. Here my x plus 5 is equals to 3. That means this is called as my equation. What is this called? This is called as my equation. As you can clearly see over here, this is an alphabet. In this, these alphabets are usually called as variables, as we have studied earlier. That these alphabets are usually variable. The power over here is always its degree. Now, as you can see over here, there is no power over here. That means its greatest value is 1. When your variable is having its greatest value 1, this type of equation are called as linear equations. Okay. It is clear? Now, moving ahead to the linear equation which are of two types. Here, linear equation is of two types. First one is linear equation in one variable. Now, what does this one variable mean? As I said earlier, let me take my example x plus 7 is equal to 8. Now, as you can see over here, I have only used my one variable which is x. There is no other variable, no alphabet used over here. That means this is your example for linear equation in one variable. Second is linear equation in two variable. Now, what does this two variable mean? Two variable mean when you are using two variables, that means let me take an example of x plus 7y equals to 9. Okay, now as you can see over here, there is my variable x, there is my variable y. What is the degree for both my variables? It's 1 and it's 1. That means this is your example for linear equation in two variable, as I have used two variables in my equation. Now, what things you should keep in mind while solving and following things? So, while solving an equation of following points should be keep in mind. First one is the solution of linear equation is not affected. That means your answer will be always same. When the same number is added or subtracted from both the side of the equation. When same number is added or subtracted from the same both the sides of the equation. Let me take an example. I have my equation, let's say example. I have my example as x minus 3 is equals to 5. Okay, this is my example. X minus 3 is equals to 5. Now for the first case, I will add 3 on both the side. What will I do? I will add 3 on both the side. Now add 3 on both the side. That means x minus 3 is there. This one is my LHS, that means left hand side, and this side is my RHS, that means my right hand side. So adding plus 3 as well as I will add plus 3 on both the side. I have added plus 3 on LHS as well as on RHS. What is my answer? Now plus 3 and minus 3. Plus 3 and minus 3 gives me 0. That means only x will be there. And 5 plus 3, that means I will get my answer as 8. Okay, that means my x value is 8. Now what is said? Added or subtracted. That means I am taking this example only, x minus 3 is equals to 5. But in now, in this case, I will subtract, let's say 2 from both the side. I will subtract 2 from both the sides. So let's see, is it same or not? So, if I subtract 2 from both the side, that means x minus 3 minus 2 equals to 5 minus 2. Okay, so minus minus gives me plus. So, I will get x minus 5 equals to 5 minus 2 gives me 3. Now I want my value of x. So it will get sign change, sign change. So you will get 3 plus 5. Therefore, x plus the x is equal to, your answer will be also 8. Clear? What did we do? We took an example. We had condition that added or subtracted from both the side, your answer for the equation will be same. So we did the same thing. We added 3 on both the side. We get the value of x as 8. We subtracted 2 from both the side. We got the value of x as 8. That means it is same. Moving on to second rule. What does the second rule says? Both the side of equation are multiplied or divided. Now, what is the case over here? It is getting multiplied or divided by the same non-zero number. Non-zero number means you can't take 0 over here. So, for example, let's take the equation 2x is equal to 10. What we are taking? We are taking 2x is equal to 10. So, for our first case, let's divide both the side by 2. What I am doing? I am dividing my both the side by 2. So my answer will be 2x by 2 should be equals to 10 by 2. Okay. 2 cancel and 2 5s are 10. That means my x is equals to 5. So my first case for division, my value of x is equal to 5. Now, again take the same example, 2x is equal to 10. But for this case, now multiply both the side by 3. What I am doing? I am multiplying both the side by 3. Okay. So, multiply both the side by 3. That means 2x times 3 is equals to 10 times 3. 2 3s are 6. That means I will get my 6x equals to 30. Okay, is it clear? Now, this 6 is in multiplication. So, x will be equals to 30 by 6. 6 5s are 30. So, you will get x is equal to 5. Again, I got my value of x is equal to 5. That means both the side of equation are getting multiplied or divided. Your equation will always be equal. Is it clear? Now, let's move ahead. Linear equation in two variables. The standard form of linear equation in two variable is, this is very important. How you need to write your standard form for linear equation? The standard form of writing a linear equation is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, where what is your a, b and c? Where a, b and c belongs to R. That means it is a real number and a and b are not both 0 simultaneously. That means your a and b will not be 0 at the same time. What generally the value variables x and y are used. Mostly in most the cases, your variable mostly asked is x and y. No other alphabets are mostly used in 90% cases, but it is not compulsory that only x and only y will be used. You can take any of the other alphabets as well. Are used in linear equation in two variables, and any other alphabet can also be used. See, it's not compulsory that only x and y should be used. Letter other than this alphabets can also be used. See, this equation examples are given in a standard form. So, if your question is asked, convert them into standard form. So, say for example, my first example is 5x minus 7y plus 3. That means this is already in your standard form. If it is asked what is your A, what is your B and what is your C, what will you answer? So, for my case, my A is 5, my B is 7. It's not 7. It will be minus 7. And for C, it will be positive 3. Always make sure you are taking the sign with the variables. Okay, variables, constant terms, whatever the number it is, you have to take the sign according to that. I have given few examples over here. Solve it and answer me in the comment. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you enjoyed and join us again. Okay, for the second part.